100. Light another one and stay flooded. Text 10 dimes, yeah, I kept it 100. You know another night's coming.
What up, Saints Nation? It's your boy SayntpFazhion, the SayntpFazhion, and I'm back at it again. Let's start the video off with a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell right there. And let's not upload new video. If you know we're on the channel, let's get to the news. I did my review on my merch. Leave it down below. I did a review on what my channel is about. Leave it down below. I also did a video on which brand is better. Nike did also leave it down below. If you like the video, thumb it up. Let's know rock with your boy SayntpFazhion. And leave a like down below. Let's get 50 likes on any video that I drop from this point forward. If I get 50 likes on my video, I'll give you guys a review on feet of my Star Wars X Vans collab. So stay tuned for that. I did want to read it, but I just have the shoe in hand. So if you haven't seen that, leave your likes. Let's get 50 likes on all the videos I do now. And I'm all from, if you haven't subbed to the channel already, it takes them about a second. Sub to the channel, hit the bell right there, like I said. And I'm on all form of social media, which is Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All that is left down below. And I'm also going to leave my selling page on eBay down below. You can go check it out. I have some t-shirts for sale, some dope shoes for sale, especially the Cougar 11s. The mid top for sale for $186.99 plus shipping. Go check that out. All that's going to be left down below. Anyways, guys, thanks for rocking with your boy, SayntpFazhion. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. Shout out to my girl. Thanks for everything, guys. Thanks for all the people I've met. Ultimate Shoe Tube, me and my kicks, PM Kicks, Mr. Skinny, the Retro Wiz Kid, the Vintage. He got kicks, Jumping Man Chris, Alias, Pain 82, Bait and Lore, Channel 100, Incredible Big D, Mr. Entertainment, and Mr. Skinny. And shout out to the mob. Shout out, salute to you. Salute. All your followers, salute to you. Salute all over here. Anyways, guys. Anyways, enough talking. Let's get to this video. So you can let me show you my cleanse white and olive beanie. Rocking my Vans. Let me show you guys my Vans, short hand, plaid, checkered shirt, and I'm wearing the jeans from Ranger Fire. Ranger Fire is pretty dope. Ranger Fire, sponsor me because I'm sure you guys love them when he has this. Right, this is my point. You can see the nice detail. It has a nice design in the back. You can see it. Pretty fire. And all the rocking on feet are my Adidas. Now let me know which brand is winning. Nike Adidas. I'm going to do another video. That's going to be a part 2 talking about this. Stay tuned for that. Anyways, guys. So you guys read the title up there or down there. We're gonna do an unboxing of some Vans, y'all. It's been a minute since do you remember last time you seen a box like this before? Oh, this has been a minute. I've not had a pair of these in years. I still have to pick these up. These are fire. These are fun. I have to pick these up. So these are dope. These are Vans. So let's get into it. So let me show you the box. Obviously, he has the bigs Vans off the wall. You can tell by this. That's what it says on here. Gives you the information since 1966. Obviously, that's pretty dope. It gives it here. It gives it here. Pretty dope. And obviously, all information in the back. Alright, guys, if you're just tuning in, it's your boy SayntpFazhion, the SayntpFazhion, back at it again. I do always sneak a review. I'm doing reviews on my channel, also unboxes from eBay, Ross, Macy's, Walmart, and JJ Bargain. You're gonna see that on this channel. Stay tuned. Like I said, thumb up the video, leave a like down below and comments. Let me know rock with your boy SayntpFazhion. And shout out to the Saints Nation. You guys are killing it. So these are shoes. These are the little flap that flaps open. So these are shoes, guys. I'm checking. These are dope. See, one thing I like about the shoes. They give you this white little, this paper. This paper. I like that. Give the white little paper. And here we go. Guys, this is what we have here. Remember these? These are dope. Remember this one? Wow, they got that new smell. These are dope. So these are the sticker. These are the strap Vans with the strap. I still have to pick them up. These are dope. I think this color is like a cream, not yellow, like a cream color. You can see it's like a cream or beige, maybe. Might be. Let me know what color things. Is it beige? Is it beige or cream? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. So these are shoes. So these are, you have your toe box is white. You got this little, I think it's like just your kind of like olive. This is dark, the kind of this is like olive. They have the olive trimming on the toe box of the shoe in suede. No, this is leather. It's pretty nice. I think this is a kind of different kind of olive. So I like this, and I like this. You have a little strap. You can see the strap here, guys. The strap. See. These are the strap, so you can move. These are the strap to give you. See, this is you're gonna lace it. Obviously, you have your tongue, nothing on the tongue. On the back says your men's. See, pretty dope. Inside is obviously Vans. Wow, this is dope. So guys, this is a fire. And your in the side panel is white, and it has this green trimming going around it. He has one. See, he has the green trimming here, and one going around here, and on the back, Vans. The outsole, it has that waffle bottom, pretty dope. As these are nice shoes. There's nothing to talk about. I just like look at the color. Look at this the way it is. This is nice. Anyways, guys, this is dope. Let's see the second pair. Same guys. This is dope. The same. I don't know why this is bleeding here. I don't know if that's the factory flow of the shoes. I don't know why it's bleeding here. See? I don't know why I don't know what maybe the color on these bled on the front. So guys, can you see that? I don't know what happens like that. Because normally when I buy shoes, I guess it's factory flaws. Every shoe is gonna have that because you're not gonna have it in perfect. You can see there's no way to clean those off. So it's the same old. See, same thing on the back. Nothing too special. See, nothing too special. Just your classic same one inside. I like the fact that they have this this Vans on the side of the shoes. Pretty dope. Don't give you a Vans up the. We don't give you all that because this is like the small box. It's like the small box that came in, so they don't give you that. Because normally they give you that, but they don't. But it's fine. I ain't tripping. I just rock it to school. I think I rock your shoes. Shoes are meant to be rocked, not to be stocked. So that's word-wise of fashion. So, like I said, you gotta rock your kicks. There's some bleeding going on, but it's cool. I'm not making a big deal out of it. I'm still gonna make it pop, make it rock. I'm gonna rock them things. There's a fire. There's a flame. There's emojis. They got that smell. Alright, guys. Like I said, stay tuned. These are both pairs. Bring out this dope. Vans. You guys dope strap Vans. I know you guys seen these in a while, but they have it on the old school. But actually, I like these. It's dope. out of 5, guys. Can't wait to do one on feet of these. Okay, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's gonna be on feet, which is gonna be Saturday. We're gonna be on stay tuned. Saturday is gonna be on feet of these things. This is Friday. Friday the 14th. So stay tuned for that. So guys, Friday the 14th. This is pretty fire. You gotta find. Guys, we're gonna stay tuned for that. It's gonna be fire, it's gonna be flame, it's gonna be everything. So let me know. We are low the one. Guys, let me know what you think. It's gonna be fire. So anyway, let me know what you think about that. Leave a comment down below. You guys tuning in, it's your boy SayntpFazhion, the Sparring Fashion. I'm back at it again. I do a listening review. I do come review on my channel. I do unbox on eBay, Ross, Walmart, Macy's, and JJ Bargain. You're gonna sit out on this channel. Leave your likes and your comments. Let's get the likes on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like I said in the beginning. And I'm all from social media down below. I know I have to bring you guys a review on these shoes. And then, so guys, like I said, stay tuned. Give me another video. I don't have none to compare with. So guys, I think I'm due. See, these are different. You can see you see these ones? See these ones? These are different. I don't know, these are not too good of, because these are just not too good. See? These are nice, but obviously there's a way you can rock them like that. Like I see, they're different. These are the ones with the laces. These are the ones with the strap. Let me get this. Laces, strap. These are black. These are the beige or the cream, however you want to call them. Guys, this is dope though. And let me know what you think about these. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these. Leave your comments down below. Either like I said, leave a comment down. Let me know what you think about these. Like I said, I like some, So showing you guys these dope kicks. These are dope. And these are another one. I'm not doing a comparison. There's nothing to compare with, so it's dope. Anyways, guys, just want to bring you guys a video real quick about these shoes. These are just some quick unboxing. These dope shoes. I have some couple stuff to talk together about. I have a selling eBay page. I'll leave it down below. Go check that out. I have some shoes for sale. I got a couple of New Balance, some Adidas, some Nikes, and some Jordan. Jordan I have Cougar 11 mid top. Go check those out. I'm selling those for $186.99 plus shipping. I ain't gonna slap anybody across the head with a slapping price. Just that's how much I want to get them, because since they're used, that's how much I'm gonna want to get from. Because obviously, if you're gonna get them new, you're gonna be paying like $300 or $400. So, because those are from 2008. A pair from 2008. It's hard to find a pair from 2008. I have those for sale. I got them. I had them from. I was like, no, I did a review on feet, so go check those out. Because I do a review so people can see what it looks like on feet. So that way they can look like they can decide and say, okay, hey, look nice on feet. I'm gonna cop them. I'm not. Whatever you guys want to do. So hit me up on my Instagram, Twitter, or you can hit me up on however you guys can hit me up either on here Twitter or Instagram. And we can talk price. We can see if you guys want to pay for that price. And stay tuned for Saturday's video is gonna be on feet of these things. Cleanse is a clean, sing steppers. Man, shout out to T Ward. And then guys, I've talked your head up enough about these things. Stay tuned for on feet of these. Stay tuned. Alright guys, remember long enough, like I said. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell right there. Let's know when I upload a new video. Our more videos coming soon. Stay tuned. Our YouTube is being bored. SayntpFazhion, the Fashion Designer. I'm signing out. Peace.